Hey, everybody. My name is Craig DeWitt. I'm the co-founder of Skyfire, and I am excited to explain a little bit more about Experian's recent announcement about their Agent Trust product and the partnerships with Cloudflare, Visa, and Skyfire. So here's why this is such a big deal. In agentic commerce, agents need the ability of buying stuff. Otherwise, what's the point? So agents need to do a couple things. One, they need to be able to access websites. And when there's not a guest checkout or when loyalty is involved, they need to be able to log in. And finally, they need to be able to actually buy stuff. So that is checkout. The problem, though, is that for agents to do that with any degree of ubiquity across today's very big internet, you have problems. So if you're building agents today that are going out into the wild, this is definitely a problem you've seen at any degree of scale. And that is agents are blocked at every step of the way. So blocked from accessing the website, blocked from logging in, and certainly blocked from checkout. And that's because there's no way to establish trust between this agent program that's just running out in the wild and the actual merchants. And that is until we have this new announcement from Experian to solve this problem. So how does it work? Well, now that agent using an Experian product called Agent Trust has the ability of delivering identity information on itself, on the platform it's coming from, and the end user that has permissioned it to the wild world of merchants. And the way that happens is there's a Skyfire generated token that's consumed by a security provider, in this case Cloudflare, that gives it the confidence and trust that that agent is who they say they are and has a mandate to go and do behavior on that site. It's the same flow when it's actually time for checkout, in that now that agent is given a token that has credit card information in it, as well as a user mandate that specifies what that agent can do and can't do. This becomes the foundation of trust from a big leader in identity like Experian, all the way to the security providers that protect today's infrastructure and merchants like Cloudflare. Today, that's powered by Skyfire, and we think this unlocks a massive future of agents actually being able to do things across the internet because you have a trust layer. If you have any questions on Skyfire's piece of this puzzle or anything at all in agentic commerce, you can reach out to me directly at craig@skyfire.xyz. Thanks.